3 years of using this is pretty cool. With if you have a MacBook or something that is only USB-C support, because now you have a USB normal HDMI and the charge in case you want to charge something. So this has a lot of multiple kind of uses. It's limited because it's only three, but it's pretty useful in case you need it used for a minimum stuff. It's not for a large amount of devices or a lot of stuff in case you want to connect.
Hi, I highly recommend you get this adapter if you have a nice little projector that you want to plug into your MacBook. I do a lot of meetings, public meetings, and usually hoped this was available, but I went ahead and bought one on Amazon. I've been totally thrilled to have it available. I just stick it in my computer bag and it's at the ready if I need to bring out my little projector, hook it up, and away we go.
I got this adapter. I got this adapter for my M1 MacBook Air, but it's, as you guys could see, it doesn't work. It says it's compatible with MacBook. It doesn't work.
Review. I just want to review my new multi-port AV adapter. Works great with the new MacBook. I use it every day. I really love it.
No international spectators will be banned from attending, but these games will still involve more than 11,000 athletes.